Hi everyone, today's topic is ratio. This topic is very important as it forms the basis of all the other topics such as percentage, simple interest, compound interest, profit and loss, and many others. So today we will know about ratio. A ratio is something that compares two similar quantities. For example, its normal form is A ratio B. It is a simplest form of any fraction. Let's take an example. 3 ratio 1, a ratio representing the number of girls in a class to the number of boys. The ratio represents that the girls are 3 times the number of boys. It means that for every one boy there are 3 girls in the class. So now there is a need to know what operations can be applied to a ratio. So first operation is that we can divide a ratio by any number. Here we have divided the ratio 3:6 by 3 and the result is 1:2. The second operation we can apply to a ratio is multiplication. When a ratio 3:1 is multiplied by 2, the result is 6:2. Now starting with a very basic question of a ratio. So the question here is, if A is to B is 7:9 and B is to C is 5:7, you have to find out that what is A ratio B ratio C. This question forms the basis of all the questions of ratio and proportion. So now I will explain you a very short and simple solution to this question. So here we have A ratio B is equal to 7:9. B ratio C is equal to 5:7. Now what we have to find is A ratio B ratio C. So we have to make B similar, but the simple procedure for this is that you can write A ratio B ratio C, and then you have to write 7:9 under A ratio B. And the next step is that you have to write B ratio C 5:7 in the next line. Now the other step you can follow is you have to fill the blank spaces by the number followed by it. In place of after 9 you can write 9 and before 5 you have to write the same number. Now you have to just multiply downwards. 7 5s are 35, 9 5s are 45 and 9 7s are 63. Now you have to look that whether the ratio is in simplest form or not. Since the ratio is in simplest form, now your answer is A ratio B ratio C is equal to 35 ratio 45 ratio 63. Posting more new videos regarding this topic. It would be really helpful in all the kinds of competitive examinations. Thank you all for watching the video. If you like the video,